It's really easy to assume that we are weak and soft and not capable, and in today's video we're going to prove that that's not the case at all. Hi everybody, I'm Michael. Welcome back to the Kataholos YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to take the time to celebrate and enjoy the fact that you've got through hard times. It's so easy to forget just how strong, how resilient, how capable of getting through hard times we actually are. So let's try this today. Get yourself a pen and a piece of paper, and I want you to write down a really difficult time that you got through. Perhaps it was a family member dying, perhaps it was a really difficult time at work, perhaps it was you went through depression or anxiety, perhaps it was a relationship ended, perhaps it was something random that happened like a natural disaster and you got caught up in it. But just take a minute to write it down. Then once you've written it down, close your eyes and go through it. See it playing out like a movie in your head, and remember what it was like, how long it went on for, how difficult it was. It might bring up all the old feelings. You think, oh, I'm back there. But then remember that it finished and it passed. No matter how long it might have gone on for, seconds or hours or days or even years, but it finished and you got through it. And then feel the emotion. Remember that emotion that you felt. Was it satisfaction? Was it happiness? Was it relief? It's over, thank goodness it's over. I never thought it'd actually finish. And what you'll find is you might even be feeling that emotion now. And then just take a minute to feel proud of yourself, because no matter what it is, it's over. It's over now. And you got through it. One way or the other, you got through it. And it's really easy to forget when we're going through difficult things that they do pass, and that we've been through things that are probably even have been harder before. And if you're going through something now that's really difficult, remember that in the future you will look back on this one as well and be able to do the exact same thing. So it's easy to downplay that and think, well, it wasn't so bad because it's over now. But no, acknowledge it. Take a moment to enjoy it and be proud of yourself and say, I got through that. So it's just a little something to help you remember just how resilient, just how strong, just how capable you actually are. And we all are. And how we can get through things, even when we think we can't, even when there's no way. If it doesn't kill you, you're still here, and you found a way. So brilliant, well done. So guys, remember you can do that anytime you want, especially when you're feeling weak, especially when you're feeling like a failure, especially when you think, I can't do this. All it takes is just one time that you did, and you've got a module there for success that you can repeat. So thanks to all our subscribers. You guys are fantastic. We're going for 100 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the link below, and please like and share and comment. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. Alright, whatever you're up to today, have a fantastic day. See you later. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to find out more, I'm here on kataholos.co.uk, so click on the link below and you can see here's our values, and you can either subscribe to our newsletter and become one of our subscribers, or you can click on 10-week course to go to learn more. Here it is, gives you all the information you need.